Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit Mondal and welcome to my YouTube channel Target Mathematics. So हम लोग क्या कर रहे थे? हम लोग KVS PGT Mathematics का जो पेपर था वो डिस्कस कर रहे थे. तो first 20 questions I think we have already discussed. So today we will start the next 10 questions. Okay. Today we will discuss the next 10 questions. That is from question number 1012 to question number 110. Okay. So already I have told you that total 100 questions will be there from mathematics part, starting from question number 81 to question number 180. Okay. So today we will discuss only 10 questions starting from 101 to 110. Okay. So these 10 questions we will discuss in today's video. So if you have not watched the previous videos, so you can just simply go to the description box. There I have given all the links, okay, of all the playlists. So from there you can watch those videos. So okay, without delaying, let's start today's session. So let's go to the screen. So this is question number 101. Okay, let us read out the question, that what they are asking. So as you can see, that equation of the circle with center on y-axis and passing through the origin and the point 2, 3 is what? So we have to find the equation of this circle. So for that, what we will do? We will simply write the general equation of the circle. Okay, with center at h, k and radius root over of h square plus k square minus c. Okay, that we know what is the equation of that circle. So this will be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the general equation of a circle with center at minus g comma minus f. Okay. Here I have written g and f in terms of g and f. If you write in terms of h and k, then you can write accordingly. Okay. So here the center will be minus g comma minus f. Okay, that all of we know. So anyway, we don't need any other thing. So here see, according to the question, equation of the circle with center on the y-axis. So center on the y-axis means what? The x coordinate will be equal to 0. So from here we can write g is equal to 0. On the y-axis we know that the x coordinate will be equal to 0. So g is equal to 0. So then this equation will reduce to, if we put here g is equal to 0 in this equation, so this equation will become x square plus y square plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now again this condition we have applied, that circle with center on the y-axis. Okay, this condition we have applied. Now again what they are telling, that the circle will pass through the origin. Okay, the circle will pass through the origin and the point 2, 3. Okay, so these two conditions also we will apply and we will see what else we are getting. So if the circle will pass through the origin, then we have c is equal to 0. For the second condition, we have c is equal to 0. So again the equation will further reduced to x square plus y square plus 2fy is equal to 0. Okay, this is due to the second condition. And the point 2, 3. Okay, the circle will pass through the point 2, 3. So by this condition we will find the value of f. Okay, that is our trick actually. So the circle is passing through the point 2, 3. So just put 2, 3. So what we will get? 2 square, that means 4, 3 square, that means 9, plus 2 into 3 means 6f is equal to 0. So from here what we will get, that 6f is equal to 9 plus 4, 13. So f will be equal to 13 by 6. So the value of f we have got. So again we will come back to this equation and we will put the value of f. So if we put the value of f, what we will get? X square plus y square plus 2 into f means 13 by 6 into y is equal to 0. Now 2 and 6 there we can reduce it. 2 3 6. So again multiply both sides throughout by 3. So we will get 3x square plus 3y square plus 13y is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the required circle. Okay, this is the equation of the required circle. So now come back to the options and we will see which option will be correct. So 3x square plus 3y square plus 13y. So I think option 2. I can see that option 2, 3x square plus 3y square plus 13y is equal to 0. This option is correct answer for this question. Okay, so is it clear to everyone? Okay, then let's move to the next question. Question number 102. This is also a very simple question. That before going to the main problem, I will tell you one thing, that mod x is greater than a. What is the meaning of this expression? Mod x is greater than a. This means this will imply either x is greater than a or x is less than minus a. Okay, that you remember. Now the problem is done. Now you can do this problem, you can solve this problem very easily. Okay, so what the problem is telling? Now come back to the main problem, that modulus of x minus 2 is greater than 6. Okay, that means what? Either x minus 2 is so now come back to the main problem, that we will use this concept here. That's all. So in the main problem, what it is telling, that modulus of x minus 2 is greater than 6. So that means that will imply either x minus 2 is greater than 6 or x minus 2 is less than minus 6. Okay, so the first inequality is giving us x is greater than 8, or the second inequality is giving us x is less than minus 4. Okay, so that means x belongs to where? X belongs to where? So minus infinity comma minus 4, that is obviously inside the first bracket, union 8 comma infinity. Okay, so that is the range of x. Okay, in this interval x will lie. So which option? Can you see the option? Minus infinity comma minus 4 union 8 comma infinity. That means option 2 is the correct answer. Option 2 is the correct answer. Okay, so this was question number 102. Now come to question number 103. So what they are asking here, a solution is to be kept between 50 degrees Celsius and 55 degrees Celsius. Okay, so Celsius range they have given. What is the range of temperature in degree Fahrenheit? If the conversion formula is F is equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. Okay, so we have to find the range of temperature in degree Fahrenheit. So that means according to the question, now Celsius, say C is the measurement in Celsius, degree Celsius. So this will lie between 50 and 55. Now where F will lie? That is the question. Where F will lie? So for that, what we will do? We will use this relation. See the relation also they have given here. F is equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. That they have given. So what we will do? We will just multiply by 9 by 5 throughout. So if we multiply by 9 by 5, 55 into 9 by 5 this side, and this side also 50 into 9 by 5. So what we will get? 5 10. So 10 9 90 is less than 9 by 5c and is less than 5 11. 11 into 9 means 99. These calculations you can do in your own. So this is 9 by 5 c is lying between 90 and 99. Now just add 32 throughout. Okay, 90 plus 32 is less than 9 by 5c plus 32 is less than 99 plus 32. Now what we will get? If you simplify this expression, now 19 to 30, 120, that means 122. 122 is less than 9 by 5c plus 32 is less than, now 99 plus 32. Now it will be 9 more, so 9 to 11 means 131. I think it will be 131. So then by the given relation, you see the relation where I have drawn a box. F is equal to 9 by 5c plus 32. So in place of 9 by 5c plus 32, we can write f. Okay, so we will write f in place of that. So it will become 122 less than f less than 131. So this is the range of Fahrenheit scale. Okay, this is the range in degree Fahrenheit. So 122, it will be between 122 to 131. 122 and 131. Which option? Look at the options. Option 1 is the correct answer. Option 1 is the correct answer here. Okay. So hope it is clear to everyone. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 104. Now what they are telling? 3 balls are drawn from a bag containing 3 red balls, 5 white balls and 2 yellow balls. The number of ways in which this can be done if at least 2 are red. Okay, 3 balls are drawn. Okay, how many balls are there? Containing 3 red balls. So red balls 3. 5 white balls. So white balls 5 and 2 yellow balls. Yellow balls. Okay, and we have to draw 3 balls from the bag. And they have told that at least 2 are red. At least 2 are red. So okay, exactly 2 are red. If I assume that exactly 2 will be red, then how many ways will be there to draw the balls? So the remaining ball, suppose 2 are red. Exactly 2 balls are red. Okay, this we have to draw. Then what we can do? Out of 3 red balls, we can choose in 3C 2 ways. 2 red balls we can choose in 3C 2 ways, and the remaining 1 ball, what we can do? Out of 7 balls we have to choose 5 plus 2, 7 balls we have to choose, so that can be chosen in 7C 1 way. So this is the way of choosing or way of drawing 2 red balls, exactly 2 red balls. Okay, because they have told that at least 2 red balls will be there. Now exactly 2 red balls we can choose in this many ways. So this is what 3C2 means, factorial 3 divided by factorial 2 into factorial 1 into 7C1 means 7. So this is 6 by 2 into 7. So 6 by 2 means 3, 3 into 7 means 21. This is the number of ways of drawing exactly 2 red balls. Now one can draw 3 red balls also, because at least 2 red balls we have to draw. That means 3 red balls also can be drawn from the box. So in how many ways 3 red balls can be drawn? In one way, only in one way. 3C 3 ways. So that is equal to 1. 3C3 means that is equal to 1 way. Only one way we can draw. So total number of ways will be what? Total number of ways will be what? Are you understanding? Total number of ways will be what? 21 plus 1, that is equal to 22. Okay. So now look at the options. Which option will be correct? Option 4 is the correct answer here. Option 4 is the correct answer here. 22. So now let's move to the next question. Question number 105. The number of ways in which a team of 11 players can be selected from 20 players, always including one of them and excluding three of them. Okay. So total number of players will be is equal to 20. So we have to choose 11 players. Okay, we have to choose 11 players. Now always including one of them. Always including one of them. So one of them is always included. So just there is nothing to choose. We must have to take one person from them. So that means we have to choose 10 players. Okay, out of how many players? Out of how many players? And excluding 3 of them. Okay, excluding 3 of them. So from 20 players, one of them is already chosen. We have to take, we are bound to take him. So 20 minus 1 and 3 we have to exclude. Okay, 3 we cannot take. So total number of players then available 3 minus 1, that means minus 1 minus 3 minus 4, and this will be 16. So then out of 16 pairs we have to choose 10 pairs. So how many ways we can choose? 16C 10. 16C 10 ways. So this is the correct answer. Okay, 16C 10 ways. Hope you have understood the explanation. Okay, so even if you have further doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to answer in the next video. Okay, so 16C 10, option 3 is the correct answer. Okay, this is the total number of ways of choosing. So now let's move to the next question. Question number 106. The number of different 4-digit numbers that can be formed with the digits 3, 4, 6, 8 and using each digit only once is what? Okay, total number of 4-digit numbers. That is, I think, very simple problem. 3, 4, 6, 8. Okay, that means factorial 4 ways. That is a straightforward problem. Okay. So suppose, okay, let me explain it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4-digit number we have to form. So the first place in how many ways we can fill? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 ways we can fill the first place. And after filling the first place, the second place in how many ways it can be filled? It can be filled 3 ways, then 2 ways, then 1 ways. Okay, as the digits cannot be repeated. Okay, so the total number of ways will be factorial 4, that is 24. Okay, 24 is the correct answer. Option 1 is the correct answer. So this is question number 106. So now let's move to the next question. Question number 107. If the matrix A, okay, one matrix is given, then we have to find the rank of the matrix A minus I. Okay, so A minus I. So immediately we will find A minus I. Let us see what type of matrix we are getting. A minus I. So A matrix is this one. This is 4 by 4 matrix. Okay, 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 0 2. Okay, this is the matrix A, and we have to take the identity matrix of order 4, that is 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 0 1. So now just subtract. Our task is to subtract. Subtraction of matrices, we know that how to subtract. So this place will become 0, this place 1 0 0 0, this place will become 0, this 1 0 0 0, this place will become 0 and this will become 0. Okay, and 0 0 0 1. So what we can see by looking at this matrix? What we can see by looking at this matrix A minus I? So we are seeing that total three linearly independent rows are there. See, this is one, this is next one, and this is the third one. Okay, so three linearly independent rows are there in this matrix. So rank of the matrix will be equal to 3. That is very simple. Okay, the rank of this matrix will be equal to 3. Okay, very much simple problem. So option 3 is the correct answer here. Option 3 is the correct answer here. So this was question number 107. So now let's move to question number 108. So a matrix is given. We have to find the eigenvalues of this matrix. So eigenvalues means what? Eigenvalues are the roots of its characteristic equation. So what is the characteristic equation? Determinant of a minus lambda I is equal to 0. This is the characteristic equation, and the roots of this equation will be the eigenvalues of the matrix A. Okay. So date of a minus lambda I, what it will be? 2 minus lambda minus 5. This you do in your copy. Okay. 3 minus lambda minus 1, 0 minus 1, 3 minus lambda. So this is equal to 0. Now we will expand this determinant in terms of the first column. Okay. So if we expand with respect to the first column, then we will get 2 minus lambda into this 3 minus lambda whole square and minus 1. Okay, 3 minus lambda whole square and minus 1. This is equal to 0. So this again what we can do, 2 minus lambda, and here we will apply a square minus b square formula. See, a square minus b square. So we will get 3 minus lambda minus 1, and another factor we will get 3 minus lambda plus 1. So that is equal to 0. Okay. So three factors we have got. So one is 2 minus lambda. Another one is also 2 minus lambda. And another one is 4 minus lambda. Okay. So that is equal to 0. So this will give us lambda is equal to 2, 2, 4. So these are the eigenvalues of the matrix A. So which option will be correct? Come back to the options 2 and 4. Okay, 2 and 4. So option 3 is the correct answer. 2, 4. This is the state of the eigenvalues of the matrix A. Okay, so this was question number 108. Now come to question number 109. Now here they are asking the characteristic polynomial of the matrix A is what? Now characteristic polynomial will be what? Date of A minus lambda I. That's it. That is the characteristic polynomial. So this will be what? So determinant of, so just write 1 minus lambda minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus lambda minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus lambda. So this is the characteristic polynomial. Now we have to expand this determinant. So just simply without doing anything straightforward, I am expanding with respect to the first row, say. So 1 minus lambda into this will become 1 minus lambda whole square minus 1, then plus 1 into so minus 1 plus lambda minus 1 plus lambda, this and this, and then plus 1 this we will get, and then plus 1 into minus 1 means 1, and minus 1 plus lambda. So we will get this. So this is equal to 1 minus lambda into, so this if we simplify a little bit, 1 minus 2 lambda plus lambda square minus 1. Okay, so this will give us only lambda, and the third term will give us also only lambda. So then we are getting 1 minus lambda into lambda square minus 2 lambda plus 2 lambda. Okay, so again we have to further simplify it. So we will get lambda square minus 2 lambda minus lambda cube plus 2 lambda square plus 2 lambda. Now 2 lambda will be cancelled, and we will get minus lambda cube plus 3 lambda square. Okay, minus lambda cube plus 3 lambda square. That's it. Minus lambda cube plus 3 lambda square. Again somewhere we did mistake, I think. Minus lambda cube plus 3 lambda square, it should be 3 lambda square, but here the options, if you see the options, then this type of option is not there. Minus lambda cube plus 2 lambda square is there, option 1. In option 1 it is minus lambda cube plus 2 lambda square, but we are getting minus lambda cube plus 3 lambda square. So we have done mistake, or the options are wrong? Which one? Can you tell me quickly? So again let me recheck it. So 1 minus lambda minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus lambda minus 1, and 1 minus 1, 1 minus lambda. So with respect to the first row we are expanding. So 1 minus lambda into 1 minus lambda whole square, and minus minus plus, that means minus 1. Okay, so minus minus plus 1, then this will become minus 1 plus lambda, minus 1 plus lambda, we are correct. And this is minus 1, means it will become plus 1. So okay, plus lambda, up to this it is okay. So 1 minus lambda into 1 minus 2 lambda plus lambda square, plus lambda square. Okay, minus 1 we are getting. Okay, plus 2 lambda, lambda plus lambda, yeah, 2 lambda. So that is also fine. So then 1 minus lambda into this 1 and this one are cancelled. So lambda square minus 2 lambda, we are getting lambda square minus 2 lambda plus 2 lambda. So lambda square, anyway we are getting lambda cube, but here lambda square means, okay, lambda square minus 2 lambda minus lambda cube plus 2 lambda square plus 2 lambda. Okay, I cannot see any mistake in my calculation. Okay, so if you can see any mistake in my calculation, then please inform me. So otherwise I will conclude that these options are wrong. Okay, so here it should be 3 lambda square, here it should be 3 lambda square. Okay, instead of 2, this should be 3 lambda square, then it will be correct. Okay, so definitely give your opinion as well in the comment section, don't forget. So we will move to the next question, question number 110. So here what they are giving, that summation fi xi is equal to 3100, and summation fi into xi minus x bar whole square is equal to 10050, and n is equal to 50 they have given. Then the variance is what? So the formula of variance we know, variance will be equal to summation fi into xi minus x bar whole square divided by summation fi. Summation fi. Summation fi means n. Summation fi means n. So every information is given. So the denominator or numerator, the numerator they have given that 10050, and summation fi means n. Okay, total number of observations, that is given 50. That is given 50. So n is equal to 50 they have given. So if we simplify, what we will get? 5201201. Okay, that is the variance. That is the variance of this data. Okay, so option 4 is the correct answer here. Option 4 is the correct answer here. So this was the last question of today's session. So again, in the next video I will bring the next 10 questions, that is from question number 111 to question number 120. Okay, so up to this, if you have any further doubt, I think I have explained very easily and in a simple way so that everyone can understand. So hope there should not be any doubt, but even if there is doubt further, so you can comment me in the comment section. In the next video I will try to clear your doubts. Okay, so anyway, again I am telling that if you are new to my channel, so subscribe this channel for getting these types of more videos, and don't forget to like and share with your known ones. Okay, so that the others also get benefits of these videos. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.